Hello children, today we are going to start a new chapter in geography, that is chapter number 7, our country India, location and physical divisions. India is a vast country with great geographical and cultural variations, location and extent. India is located north of the equator and east of the Greenwich meridian. Thus, it lies in the northern and eastern hemispheres. The Tropic of Cancer passes through its center. From south to north, India extends from 8 degree 4 north to 37 degree 6 north latitude. From west to east, India extends from 68 degree 7 east to 97 degree 25 east longitude. Since the longitudinal extent of India is almost 30 degree, the time difference between the eastern and western ends is about 2 hours. To avoid confusion, the local time of 82 degree 30 east longitude, which passes through the center of India, has been adopted as the Indian Standard Time. India is a peninsula. It is surrounded by seas on 3 sides, by the Bay of Bengal in the east, the Arabian Sea in the west, and the Indian Ocean in the south. In the north, it is bounded by the Himalayas, from Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. India extends for about 3,214 km, while from Arunachal Pradesh in the east to Kutch in the west, it extends for about 2,933 km. The length of its coastline is 7,516.6 km, with a total area of 3.28 million square kilometer. India is the 7th largest country in the world. In terms of population, it is second only to China. India's neighbors. There are many countries that share their borders with India. They are our neighbors. Pakistan and Afghanistan lie to the west and northwest of India. China, Nepal and Bhutan to the north and northeast, and Bangladesh and Myanmar to the east. Sri Lanka lies to its south. The Pak Strait separates India from Sri Lanka. Political and administrative divisions. India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. Union territories are regions under the direct administration of the union government. Delhi is the national capital. Rajasthan is the largest state, while Goa is the smallest. Physical divisions. All kinds of landforms are present in India. This makes the physical features of the country rich and diverse. The country can be divided into 6 major divisions based on its physical features: the northern mountains, the northern plains, the Thar Desert, the peninsular plateau, the coastal plains, and the island groups. Children, hope this chapter is clear for you. Thank you.